Hi everyone, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today we're going to go over how to remove duplicates from a Google spreadsheet. This is something I use a lot, but it might not be something you use every day if you're a graphic designer. But I use this to remove duplicate keywords when I'm uploading to Shutterstock or Adobe Stock or one of the other sites. You can use online duplicate removers, but if you have some of the same words in your list, like this keyword, blue jeans, blue will be removed, even though I want both keywords. So I just want the exact same keywords to be removed. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to go to this website, which is the developer's website for Google. And they have made it easy. They actually have a little tutorial on here, but I found it a little bit confusing toward the end. So I'm just going to walk you through it. By the way, this will also be in my description, this website up here. First, let's copy this function. You'll need every part of this, so copy. And then we'll go back to the spreadsheet and go to Tools, Script Editor. In this area down here, just paste it. All right, now at this point, all you have to do is just run the action. So it'll remove all of the duplicated keywords that I have in my spreadsheet. So if you don't want this to happen, you need to make sure to not have that spreadsheet open. Okay, so here we have blue jeans and blue jeans, and I'll come back over here and I'll run this right here. And it's done, so I'll go and check my spreadsheet now. And it's removed all of the exact duplicates from my list of keywords, which is exactly what I want. So now we can upload these keywords to the stock sites and we'll know exactly how many keywords we have without duplicates. Let me know in the comments section if you're having any trouble with this, and I can probably help you a little bit. I've been using this for a while. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. Thank you.